Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Girl with Girls, and in this episode I'm going to speak something which is on everyone's mind right now, which is a state of panic because of the coronavirus pandemic. And every one of us, because there are colleges which are shut down, gyms, malls, everything in the city has been shut down, and we all are struggling to utilize this time to our benefit. So in this video I'm going to talk about some steps which I am taking to make the best of the time which we have right now in our hand, not panic, and to at least see a silver lining to this whole situation. So stay tuned till the end of the video if you are also struggling to understand what exactly you should do at home when you are self quarantining. So stay tuned till the end of this whole video. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list out four things which I am doing, and I hope that they are also useful for you as well. So the first thing that I'm definitely doing nowadays is self-care. So because of the hectic schedule and having something to do every day, meetings to look forward to, things where I have to be, so I can't really take care of myself. Now self-care can be in terms of getting a good facial, or taking care of your room, or anything which brings peace to you, or something that we call as me time. So definitely, first of all, indulge in self-care, understand what self-care for you is. And the second thing which I'm absolutely loving these days is reading. So at the start of 2020, I definitely made one of the resolutions that I want to read one book per month. But I really started with a book, and midway I left those books, and I have a stack of books which I am really interested in reading, but just not committed enough to complete those. So I have definitely started with my reading habit again, and I take it like a first thing that I have to finish at least 20 to 30 pages in the morning itself, so that I can start my day with an amazing fresh mind. And I'm definitely loving this habit of mine. So definitely, people who are looking forward to read, or even if you don't have the habit of reading every day, you can start small, start with 5 pages, 10 pages, and I definitely know that you will get hooked on the subjects which you are really interested in, and this can be an amazing time for introspecting. So definitely reading is the second thing which you can do. And the third thing which I am doing right now is portfolio building. So because my work is continuously going on, I'm doing those things on social media, on YouTube, on Instagram, but there is no portfolio as such where I'm stacking everything together for future clients. So because that is just stacked up, every day I'm working on it to decrease that pile of work, so that in the future, when I have an opportunity, I have my previous work to show those clients. So portfolioing is something which applies to every field, I guess, whether you're a writer or you are simply an website developer, or anyone for that matter. You can just store your previous work and sort that out really well. The fourth thing is something that brings you happiness. So for me, it is something like a simple act of watering the plants at my garden. So that is something which really brings me joy, and that is something which you should also make time for, because there are many hobbies which we have left during the course of time, where we really wanted to take that habit, the hobby, but time didn't allow us. And we have all the supplements at our home. Like, I have all the colors and canvas for doing a painting, and I have been stocking that up for the longest period of time, but I didn't really have a proper committed time to start that painting. So I am like taking these small things which I've left behind, like gardening, painting, and it can be different. It is different for everybody. So definitely do that. The sixth point which I really want to focus on is your health. So health has two aspects, as you know, food and exercise. And during this time, everyone is doing home workouts, or they're going for a long walk, or they're doing daily household chores, because then that's something which keeps your body moving the whole day. And the second thing is food. So food is definitely something you will have time for, because you can plan your meals. You can eat only that much which you'll actually require when you feel hungry. And I've definitely made a video on how a foodie can reduce weight, so I'll be linking that video in the description box as well. And this is something I'm practicing during the self quarantine time. You can definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys are up to. What do you think about the points which I have spoken? And let's together turn this panic into productivity. Until next time, stay tuned to Girl with Goals.